Hi kids, what's going on? Alright, let me go over the landmarks of the skull. I'm just going to rattle off the list, so just to so you can go over. The green, that's the frontal bone. Okay, as I turn the skull here, the yellow is the parietal, right and left. The back, that's your occipital bone. And then the purple on the sides, okay, is going to be your temporal bone. Okay, let's look at the bones of the face. All right, you've got your nasal bone, which is right here. You've got the septum, which divides the bone from right and left. The top portion of the septum, the top portion up there, is called the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid. And then this bottom right here is called the vomer. Okay, you got your nasal conches, you got your middle or superior nasal conch, and then you've got your inferior nasal conch, which are just the little flares on the left and right. So the top is superior, bottom is inferior. Okay, this bone, the keystone bone that's just in the center of the face, is called your maxilla or maxillary bone. These bumps right here, right above your teeth, that's called your alveolar process. Your cheekbones, which is the blue, it's called your zygomatic bone. You've got these little holes where blood vessels come through, that's called your infraorbital foramen. Then you've got the holes right above the eye, which is called your supraorbital foramen. So supraorbital foramen, infraorbital foramen. Now this is your orbit, your eye. So if we can kind of look in here, bones that make up the eye. The green is the lacrimal, the tear duct. The red is the ethmoid, and then the yellow is the sphenoid. Okay, so those three bones make up the orbit, and they also make up the roof of the skull. We'll see that in a second too. If I flip the skull over, so we talk the alveolar. If we flip this over, this cream color right here, the roof of the mouth, that is your palatine bone. Okay.